Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Lily teacher is back again. Children, let's start today's day with a warm up. Children, do you all miss your school? You miss your teachers? You miss your friends? You miss going to school? Yes, na? Even teacher misses a lot, children. Why do we not go to school? Why are we all at home? Why, children? Because of COVID-19. Na? COVID-19 is there, so we are inside. So let's tell COVID-19 to go away, because you all want to play. You all want to come to the school, right? Come on, let's start. See, teacher will say first and then teacher will teach you, okay? COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children want to play, COVID-19 go away. Okay, children, now let's tell COVID-19 to go away. Teacher will teach you. First say, COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away. Never come back. Say, never come back our way. Little children want to play. Say, little children want to play. COVID-19 go away. Did you like it? Come on, sing along with teacher now. Come on, get up. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children want to play, COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away. Clap your hands. Did you like it? Yes. Children, today in our activity we are going to do a photo frame. We learned in EVS about myself. What did we learn? That you are very special and Mama takes your photo. And what she does after taking your photo? She frames it and she hangs it on the wall. And you like to watch, everybody comes at home and they see the photo frame. So today we'll make beautiful photo frame for you. Okay, children? Come on now, let's start doing it. Let's start making our photo frame. To make our photo frame, what are the things we require? We require, first of all, a photograph. And whatever size is the size of your photograph, you have to take the measurement little bigger than the size of the photograph, like this. Okay, children? Yeah. And then you cut it and keep. Then I have this big strip. This is for the back support, for the stand. And then for the border frame, I have taken the size of the mount board. You can also use, if you don't have the mount board, children, you can use your hard cover of your notebook. Children, see the size of the two long side and the two opposite side should be the same, right? Now let's start making them. And I have this flower for decoration, and let's start now. First of all, take the photo, put some glue around it and stick it on the base. Now that it is stuck, I am sticking this at the top. Now The opposite side. Stick it at the base. Yes. Now the longer side. Parents, you can make the children apply the glue. Yes, we are making our border. Press it nicely. Now another strip. See children, now let's press it nicely. It's ready. Now turn it over. Yes, we'll make the support for it. This long strip, just bend it like that, and then another bend. This is for the base, and then at the top again I bent it like this, like an angle. So now let's apply the at the base bent side. Now this is the bottom of the photo frame. Now what shall I do? I shall take this like this, and now apply the Fevikwik liberally and stick it. Okay, press them nicely. Now our stand is ready. Now I have taken this flower, any flower you can use children. Now I'm just applying this Fevistick even on these leaves. You can decorate your border using whatever materials you have. You can cut flowers, you can cut some shapes, you can use the sequences. And now see this children, isn't it beautiful? Right? You can keep it in your showcase. See children, teacher has made this another frame. This I have used the ice cream stick. I painted the ice cream stick, and likewise I have made this. See, the stand is here at the back. You can use whatever materials you have at home, children. And now this is, doesn't this look beautiful? But you know children, it's very simple. Parents, I used the old calendar sheets, that was old one, and made the rolls of this like this. And just I stuck it to 2 and 2, 4, 8 on top, and simple. This is a simple photo frame. All used by is done by using the things available in our house. So you can use either any paper, color the paper, and stick, or if you have some ribbons, you can use that and stick and make a beautiful photo frame and keep it on your showcase. So I hope children and parent, you all like this activity for the nursery children, and please take the help of the children to stick all these sequences and all that, so they will enjoy, and ask them to put the glue and all that. And please make different photo frames and send to us. Bye. See you in my next video, children. Stay home and stay safe.